friends. And here are our lovely friends. And so let's get started. Thing you could do your friends is make a friend collage. You could do this by
you can get this app called Collage, and you can make you can collect a bunch of pictures and put them into a collage and print them out and use like a Bristol board, and you can put it on.
So we're gonna glue it on and cut ours out so it looks good. When you do it, you have to make sure all the corners are flat and everything's flat when you're putting it down and it's even.
Just to make sure that it doesn't rip, because and also the paper, like where it says friends, it's like ink and stuff, so it can go like onto the paper when you're gluing it and like spread it. Tie-dye pillows with Sharpies and alcohol.
So how you do this is you take Sharpies and you draw it on a pillowcase. Then you take a spray bottle and fill it up with rubbing alcohol. And you spray it and it explodes. "30 reasons why I'm your best friend."
So how you do this is you cut a bunch of papers, like the colors that you want, and then you take like first you
Write
write all the things that
why you're her friend.
Yeah, and then you hole punch like the ends of it, and you put this thing on it.
Here, the thing.
And
oh my god, I have so hard to.
Yeah. So
let's get started.
Okay, so.
are. So we're gonna do something else now. Bye everyone! Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye! So yeah. Let's get started.